Hi, it's Paul from Longfield Cars, back with another video. This time we've got a Seat Alhambra, whatever you call them, 2 litre TDI Ecomotive or Ecomotion, 2009 plate with 140 odd thousand miles. It's taking it in part exchange. It's a bit of a rough old bus really, dents all over, scratches all over, needs a valet. It's tested till January, but there's lights on the dash and it's in limp mode. I've done about 10 miles in it, but I wouldn't recommend it to somebody that's not very experienced in driving vehicles with faults. You can see scrapes down there, good tyre on the back, scratches. Looks like a decent tyre there. Small scrapes. Bottom splitter's taped up. Scrape there. That cover's missing. Dent there. Good tyre again. Scratches. More scratches. Scratch. Scratch. That tyre's probably no good, to be fair. Outer edges. Buckling on the arch. Take a look inside. Needs a thorough clean. Driver's headrest. There we go. Stop oil press. Stop motor service manual. That comes on. There's an engine light on. There's a coil light flashing. I don't know what's going on there, to be honest. Radio's working. Got your aux. So yeah, it needs a clean. Basically going to target traders that want to buy this. It's a mess in here, that's my bag, that doesn't come with it. Traders that don't mind a project. So if somebody wants to do a repair. It's been a family vehicle. It's gone into limp mode and everything, and they've decided to trade it in. To be fair, I was too generous on the Part X. What you live and learn. That feels like a tyre under there. Needs a headrest, but you get that clips back in. Rust on the boot there. So yeah, rough old bus. Seems to have a good running engine, just obviously got a fault somewhere. Oh, and the brake pedal's hard, like very hard. It's hard work to stop. Could be all linked. But yeah, viewing strongly recommended, inspection also recommended, and we won't just sell this to Joe Public who expects a vehicle to be in good condition and on the road. Probably recommend you trailer it away or something, or pay us to get it delivered. Viewing available 7 days a week. With hours to suit you, just give us a call to book in a day and time. And if you want any more info, we're available on email, phone call, text message and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.